I always tell my children when they want something, go out in the backyard and pull it off the money tree.
That's good.
I mean, you know, money doesn't grow on trees. So if you think you're going to get all of those things, you better go back and find that money tree.
And one thing that she didn't say that she had sent us some information about is you can also shop at garage sales or on eBay. You can find things cheap out there.
Yeah. And some people are afraid to go to DI, but there's some really good stuff there too. I mean, seriously.
Yeah, that's very true.
Okay. I'm just being honest.
Good place.
Just being honest.
Yes. Pam and Dan helping us out.
All right, there you go. All right, 61 degrees this morning, folks, in Salt Lake City. Feels so nice. Not near yesterday. And that pesky south wind is gone. 79 in St. George, 47 in Elko. Another cool spot for you, 52 in Great Falls. It's 60 in Denver. How about the rest of the country? It is a sultry, it is a very warm and just a muggy morning in Memphis. It is 80 degrees there this morning. We have a thunderstorm complex that is moving off the Carolinas. This is in the Atlantic where it could develop into something. It doesn't look like it'll do much, but certainly some big thunderstorms along the Carolina coastline. The same storm that shellacked us yesterday with the pounding rains, the record-breaking rains. Believe it or not, it is right over Omaha and Norfolk and also into Minnesota. It is gone. High pressure is right over the top of us, and this morning, the only thing is I'm watching that tropical moisture over extreme northern Mexico because eventually that is going to squirt northward probably on Sunday afternoon. So between now and then, high pressure means great weather for us, but tell you what, you better have that sunscreen handy. You want to use the SPF 30 sunscreen variety because otherwise you're going to get a sunburn even this time of the year. Let's go back to yesterday. This is a different perspective of the thunderstorms that developed. This was about 11, 12, and then watch that wall cloud move, and it was really just slamming through the valley. We're talking about rainfall amounts in the record category. 5-minute record rainfall was set. That was 0.39. A 10-minute record rainfall of 0.66. And the airport had 0.87 in 15 minutes, breaking the old record set on August 4th, 1954. These are phenomenal record rainfall totals for Salt Lake City. It rarely happens. When it does, it's a once-in-100-year occurrence. So you can tell your grandchildren, you can tell your great-grandchildren, you lived through the heaviest rain ever in the Salt Lake City area in one storm. High pressure coming in. We're going to heat it up. In fact, as we head towards Saturday, very hot weather coming for us. Forecast today, sunshine, beautiful weather. Highs will be mostly in the 80s, lows upper 40s, and 102 in St. George today. It looks like in the north, 89 degrees in Ogden, 81 in Evanston. St. George hovering in the low 100s. A slight chance for thunderstorms Sunday and then throughout much of next week. Along the Wasatch Front, 90 today, then 97 tomorrow. There's that slight risk for thunderstorms Sunday into Monday. So most of the weekend looks pretty good. Sunday might be the kind of sketchy day. And that's a look at your weather forecast.